Want to speak real Russian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at RussianPod101.com.
Hello everyone, and it's me, Katusha. Today you're watching us Russian Weekly Words. Welcome. If you watch it for the first time, I have no idea about what it is. We're gonna find out together right now. Oh, the topic is where I am now. Комната, room. Ванная. Ванная is very useful because it's a bathroom. Ванна is a place where you actually take a bath. In Russia, for example, the bathroom can be only for the bath, and the toilet is only for the toilet. It can be separated. Yeah, because it was built in Soviet Union times, it's like, together or not, you can still call it ванная. Я иду в ванную. I go to the bathroom. And the next room we have is гостиная, living room. Гостиная is coming, it has a meaning like it's connected with guests, living because you live in there, but in Russia it's more like you invite friends and guests into that room. Приходите ко мне в гости в гостиную. Come to my place, to the living room. So the next word is кухня, kitchen. Kitchen, кухня, is very useful place. Я занимаюсь йогой у себя на кухне. I do yoga in my kitchen. Next word is спальня. Спальня is bedroom. To sleep in Russian is спать. Не заходи ко мне в спальню. Don't enter my bedroom. Спальня. It's столовая. Dining room. Столовая is called because we have stол. And stol is a table, more like dining table in Russian. Я люблю смотреть телевизор в столовой. I like watching TV in my dining room. Too many rooms, I'm getting confused. And this is the end of the room. Nice! And I hope I was useful for you today, so I'll see you some other time in my other lesson. Bye!
So crazy. It's just me. Katusha. Привет всем! Hello everyone! And it's me, Katusha, with you and Russian Weekly Words. Let's have a look at today's topic. Hopefully I can help you. Let's have a look. And today's topic, as always, is very exciting. Мебель. Furniture. I love to move furniture. That's what I did when I was bored. It brings kind of fresh energy, you know? How can we live without furniture? Like right now I'm sitting on this стул. Chair. Стул. Я сижу на стуле. I'm sitting on the chair. Now you try. What are you sitting on? What? Стул, right. Okay, next word is кровать. Maybe you're sitting on the bed. Кровать. Я не хочу вставать с кровати. I don't want to get out of the bed. Я не хочу. Кровать. Nice, soft, warm bed. And I'm sitting on the chair. Next word is книжная полка. Bookshelf. Have you ever tried sleeping in the bookshelf? I'm sure the answer is no. У меня нет книжных полок. I don't have any bookshelves. It's because I'm usually storing books and magazines on the floor. Книжная полка. Polka sounds like a Polish dance. Polka. Okay, next word is диван. Sofa. Диван. Пожалуйста, присаживайтесь на диван. Please have a seat on the sofa. Oh, I'm such a nice host. Yeah. Комод. Dresser. Комод. Which is not very popular. It's more like grandmother's thing or like heavy French antique stuff. I don't know. Russian image, комод is something like that comes from your grandmother. Your family kept. Probably dark wood or like lacquered and like something really bang heavy. When you have IKEA and комод, you're thinking, maybe I go for IKEA, you know. Я бы хотела продать свой комод. I would like to sell my dresser. Or я бы хотела переделать свой комод. I would like to redo my dresser. Could be also exciting. Make it pink. And the next word is the end. Unfortunately, I have to say пока-пока to you, but I hope I will see you next time with me and Russian Weekly Words. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, welcome to Russian Weekly Words with me, Katyusha. Привет всем! Let's have a look what kind of topic we're going to be talking about today and trying to remember it in Russian. Oh my god, so exciting! Ta-da! Cooking. Кулинария. Yes, some nice sweet pie cooking. Okay, the first word is ingredient. Ingredient. I wonder which one is Russian, which one in English. For making пирожки, you will need many different ingredients. Чтобы приготовить пирожки, вам нужны разные ингредиенты. Okay, пирожки. Have you tried cooking пирожки? Should be good with potato. Yay! Now, next word is масло для готовки. Cooking oil. Ты купил мне масло для приготовления пирожков? Did you get me oil for cooking пирожки? Did you? Did you not? Did you get? No? Go get it! Now, next word. Микроволновая печь. Microwave. Микроволновая means microwave, and печь is where you put your things inside to cook. In Russia, in old times, we had like cooking stove where like you have to make a fire and then you put bread under to bake it. Like it looked big like this. It would warm up your house. So basically it was like heater and microwave and stove, like 3-in-1. We don't have this anymore. What's happened to my voice? I would love to get a microwave. Я бы хотела приобрести микроволновую печь. To make it short, we usually say микроволновка. Соль. Salt. Соль. In the end, it's kind of L becomes really soft, like from L becomes L. Соль. Don't put too much salt. Не пересоли. Some people don't really notice they put too much salt, right? And then you just cannot eat it, but you're trying to be polite, especially at somebody's house. Like, you cannot say no. So like, oh no. Now, next word is шашлык. Шашлык. Шашлыk. Okay? Doing good? Okay. Let's go to have barbecue in the forest next week. Пошли на шашлыки в лес на следующей неделе. So, yeah, we can have barbecues anywhere. We don't have to like specifically rent a place. You can just go to forest, to any lake, and just enjoy your barbecue any way you want. And we're done! No way! But I'm gonna join you for the next session, so keep in touch. Пока-пока! Hello, welcome to Russian Weekly Words with me, Katyusha. As always, I have no idea what kind of topic we're gonna be talking about today. Let's have a look and check it out and see if we can pronunciate it correctly. And our topic is tableware. Столовые приборы. Посуда. Dish. Посуда. My brother has to clean dishes. Мой брат должен помыть посуду. Тарелка. Plate. Тарелка. Я разбила свою тарелку. I broke my plate. Чашка. Cup. I would love to have a cup with the picture. Я бы хотела чашку с фотографией. But чашка is a cup with a handle. So if there's no handle in Russian, it's a different word. Yeah, so I think чашка is more like a mug. Бокал для вина. Wine glass. Бокал для вина. Glass for wine. There are many different glasses for wine. Существуют разные бокалы для вина. Заварочный чайник. Teapot. Заварочный чайник. I got a teapot as a Christmas present. Я получила заварочный чайник в подарок на Рождество. tea in Russia is чай. Конец. It's the end. But again, I hope I will see you some other time with me in Russian Weekly Words. Пока-пока. Oh, hi everyone. Nice to see you again. And it's me, Katyusha, with Russian Weekly Words. How exciting! Now, let's have a look what kind of topic we're gonna have today. A special day for a special topic. And it's gonna be, if I can touch the screen, home tools. Wow! Home tools. Домашние инструменты. Do you have any home tools? У тебя есть домашние инструменты? Maybe you can just knock on your neighbor's door and say, у тебя есть домашние инструменты? Give me home tools! Calm down. The first word is screw. ВИНТ. If it's a big one, big screw, it's ВИНТ. And if it's a small screw, it's винтик. Мне не хватает винтика. I'm missing the screw. Next word. Молоток. Hammer. Молоток. Okay, don't mix it with milk because it's a bit similar. It sounds like молоко. But we're talking about the hammer. Молоток. Where did I put my hammer? Куда я положила молоток? If it's a girl, or куда я положил молоток? If it's a boy. Okay? Пила. Saw. Пила. You know the horror movie, right? So in Russian it's called пила. Just in case you want to watch it in Russian too. Okay? Вчера я смотрела фильм «Пила». Yesterday I saw a movie Saw. Yeah, I saw Saw. Next word is уровень. Level. Уровень. Well, if you're an interior designer or any constructor company employer, you need to know, you obviously know that you need a level, right? I need level to put my picture frame. Мне нужен уровень повесить фотокартину. Because, you want it to be straight, right? So it's better to have level on you. Используйте уровень. Use level. Next word is ящик с инструментами. Toolbox. Toolbox, but in Russian it's a bit opposite. It's a box with tools. So the box is ящик with с инструментами. Tools. Okay? Good. It's a bit long, but I'm sure you can say it right. Please help me carry toolbox. Помоги мне, пожалуйста, понести ящик с инструментами. Помоги мне поднести ящик с инструментами. Wow, that was quick. Can you do that? Okay, now we're done with tools. I hope you can move in with somebody or by yourself safely now. You can name these very important tools in Russian. But it's just good to know, So I see you some other time and пока-пока. Hi there, welcome to Russian Weekly Words. And you're with me, Katyusha. I'm gonna teach you some Russian words, but I don't know which one yet. So we can check it out together. Home electronics. Электроприборы. And the first word is духовка. Oven. Я не могу готовить без духовки. We cannot cook without oven. Wow, it sounds long in Russian. Посудомоечная машина. Dishwasher. Dish in Russian is посуда. Washer is моечная. But because washer is a noun, we have to make a noun in Russia too, so we use машина, which means like machine, makes like 3 words in 2. Посуда, моечная, машина. Something that washes dishes. Моя мама мечтает о посудомоечной машине. My mom is dreaming about having a dishwasher. We're not used to dishwashers, so it's actually true. My mom is dreaming about it right now. Пылесос, vacuum cleaner. In Russian, literally, it's sucking the dust. Я использую пылесос 3 раза в неделю. I use vacuum cleaners 3 times a week. Maybe I'm exaggerating a little bit. Холодильник, refrigerator. Actually, cold in Russian is холод. Пожалуйста, положи яйца в холодильник. Please put eggs into the refrigerator. Стиральная машина. Washing machine. So it's same principle as with dishwasher. We have an adjective, стиральная, which means washing, and машина, machine. Я купила стиральную машину 5 лет назад. I got my washing machine 5 years ago. Oh, it says the end. Something happened to my iPad. Hello, where's the other electronics? Well, I guess we'll talk about something else next time. See you later. Пока-пока. Привет всем. Hi everyone. And welcome to Russian Weekly Words with me, Katyusha, in black. Now the topic is housework. Housework. What an exciting work. Yes. Домашняя работа. Or you can say работа по дому. I have a lot of housework to do. У меня много домашней работы. Мыть. Clean. Don't forget to say deep down in there. The sound Мыть. We are cleaning the floor. Мы моем пол. Швабра. The mop. We are cleaning the floor with the mop. Мы моем пол шваброй. Шваброй. Подметать. Sweep. My mom is sweeping the floor. Моя мама подметает пол. Убирать. Put away, or you can say clean up. Now, what we usually hear from our moms, like clean up your room right now. Убери свою комнату сейчас же. Next word is конец. The end. I hope you could repeat after me a few words. Stay with me, Katyusha. Пока-пока.